Poops, this is it then. Last journey being done. Fuel tank's pretty much empty now. So parked in the back corner here. It's quite nice on the camera actually, but yeah. So now we're going to rip her apart. Hi Zeus, how you doing? Good boy. I'm going to chuck it in this one. This one's all stripped out ready. Obviously we'll do some cleaning first. Like I say, it's ideal anyway because obviously I had an F23 in us ready, so the cables, selectors and all that are the same. Mounts are bang on. So let's rip into it. Always think that inline engines look so much better than transverse. Definitely going to do one day. Right, so now engine's all out. Right, the reason why I'm doing it this way is obviously just taking the engine out of this one and putting it into that one is it's going to take a little bit of time to get this one done. Plus, just Mk4s, they do drive nice. So now we're going to put this into there, but obviously clean it up a bit. Can't have it go around looking all dirty. Saying that, that thing's gone really minging since put it in. Yeah, so one of the reasons why I am doing this is because since having the van back on the road, it has had a nasty shake for a long time. Replaced all shafts, hubs, bearings, struts, wishbones. So the only thing left to do now is that gearbox. So bin that off. So now that's ready to go. Definitely looking forward to start hacking this up. So I'm thinking, guys, maybe come down, maybe have a sweep like that. Or do you reckon straight cut, straight down that? I was thinking, obviously, because we're going to have a hole there as well, how about utilising the tailgate? Cut the tailgate off down there, straight across, and then weld that into here, because obviously the shape is pretty much as it wants to be. And that will give me a back window with a heater element as well. So that's going to be in the next part of the rear video, guys, so let me know what you think. The note, good to see that my own brewed engine mount stacked up. There's a bolt in there, and the 2 bolts there. Welding's could be more desirable, but it's held up. A lot of people said it would rip it straight out the head, but clearly done its job. And that said, it was just a BMW engine mount it was sat on. The threads are exactly the same, and they screw straight into the Mk4 leg. So it's done its job, as it should have done. So quickly getting back to this vibration, putting it down to gearbox. This was brand new oil in here, not even 1,000 miles ago. The state of it, clean bowl as well. Yeah. Mingen.